How do your muscles actually grow? Is it just lifting heavy things? Or is there something deeper going on inside your body? The truth is, muscle growth, what scientists call hypertrophy, is a remarkable process. It happens when your body repairs and rebuilds muscle fibers, making them stronger, thicker, and better prepared for whatever comes next. Whenever you exercise, especially when you challenge your muscles with weights, you create tiny, almost microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. This might sound alarming, but it's exactly what needs to happen. It's the spark that ignites growth. Once your workout ends, your body shifts into repair mode. Protein from your meals goes to work, patching those fibers back together, cell by cell. But your body doesn't stop there. To handle future challenges, it reinforces those muscles above their original strength. That's the heart of muscle growth. The repaired fibers become larger and tougher, so your next workout feels just a little bit easier. But remember, muscles don't actually grow while you're in the gym. Growth happens during rest. Sleep, nutrition, and downtime are crucial for turning hard work into noticeable results. Skip rest, and you leave gains on the table. Stay consistent, training regularly, and giving your body time to recover. Lead your muscles to adapt and grow stronger over weeks and months. Progress is built on persistence, not shortcuts. So, the next time you wonder how muscle growth works, remember, it's not instant. It's a cycle: stress, repair, growth, repeating inside you every single day. Stay curious, stay consistent, and watch your progress take shape.